regarding example 4, we have the graph of a function f, shown right here. And the first question is, does the limit as x approaches 2 of the function exist? Yes or no? So answer that first. Use your fingers as you guide them along the curve. Does the limit exist? Okay, so yes, the limit does exist. As we approach x equals 2, fingers do match up. So yes, it does exist. All right. If the limit exists, give an approximate value for the limit. Now notice this is approximate here. Right? There's multiple answers because I'm making it vague on purpose. What do you think the approximate value of the limit is going to be? And you basically, if you set any number between 3.5 and 4, you're in good shape there, right? It's somewhere, we can see sort of the halfway point is somewhere around there. We're above that. We're definitely below 4. So any value between 3.5 and 4 would be a great approximation for the limit of the function as x approaches 2. With example 5, right? Well, I'm telling you a couple things here. I'm giving you select values of g. G of 1.9 is 7.2, and g of 2.1 is 7.3. I'm also letting you know that the limit as x approaches 2 of g does in fact exist. I'm asking you to complete the table and state your approximate value for the limit. It does exist. What's the limit? So I'm looking you to fill in these numbers right here. Okay, you've got some guides on the left and some guides on the right. Fill in the numbers in between. But again, it's an approximation. So it's your decisions where to go, how to change your x values, how to change your y values. Go ahead and do that, please. So for these two values right here, we need any numbers between 1.9 and 2. Okay. Maybe you chose 1.91 and 1.92. That's fine. Maybe you chose 1.98 and 1.99. That's fine. Maybe you chose 1.98 and 1.999. 9. I guess. Is that enough nines? All right. That's also completely fine. You just need two numbers in between 1.9 and 2. Over here on the right, we need two numbers between 2 and 2.1. So 2.09. How about that one? And 2.0999. Now perhaps you picked 2.01 and 2.08, something like that. It doesn't matter. They don't need to be evenly spaced. They just need to be increasing, and they need to be between 2 and 2.1. All right. Now, how about the G row? Well, we're starting at 7.2. Over here we have 7.3, so we've got to kind of work our way towards somewhere in the middle. Now, it doesn't have to be the exact middle. You do not have to have 7.25 here. You just got to have a couple numbers to the left and a couple numbers to the right. So how about 7.21, 7.23? This can be 7.25 and 7.27. Those are numbers that are in between 7.2 and 7.3. Well, what's the limit? Well, the limit should be something in between your value of the function to the left and your value of the function to the right. So for my particular example, I have 7.2, I'm going to say 7.241. That's going to be my limit. There's multiple answers, but something that's in between your number to the left and your number to the right will do.